There are reasons companies struggle to be environmentally sustainable, due to our obsession with growth and inefficient systems. The Industrial Revolution led to unsustainable growth and scale in manufacturing. The goal of the Industrial Revolution was growth at all costs. Increased efficiency of textile production resulted in cheaper clothing, and increased consumption products were designed, with planned obsolescence for recurring revenue. The power of scale and scalability of industry excited our ego and fueled creative growth. The Industrial Revolution led to significant societal progress but also had negative environmental impacts. Industrialization brought about economic growth, increased job opportunities, and improved living standards. It also led to dangerous working conditions, exploitation of workers, and environmental degradation. The focus on short-term profits hindered sustainability efforts. Companies struggle with being sustainable due to challenges in the entire supply chain, including avoiding toxic materials. Manufacturing transparency is crucial for sustainable products. Certified factories may subcontract production to less eco-friendly manufacturers. Having an employee supervise production is the only way to ensure eco-conscious practices. Location and sourcing of materials can impact sustainability. Non-indigenous sheep used for wool in Argentina cause environmental damage. Measuring the effectiveness of sustainability can be challenging. Lead-based solder in electronics poses health and environmental risks. Moving away from lead solder to tin solder can cause solder joint issues in electronics. Lead is more toxic than tin, so many companies are switching to tin solder. However, tin solder may not create solder joints as strong as lead over time. Tin whiskers can form and connect to other parts, causing devices to short out. Repairing electronics with faulty tin solder joints is difficult or even impossible. Using eco-friendly materials alone won't solve the problem of electronic waste. Legislation on the right to repair is gaining traction to address solder joint issues. The validity of sustainability claims, such as lead versus tin solder, needs scrutiny. Life cycle analysis papers on solder materials may have undisclosed biases. Developing clear and accurate life cycle analyses takes time. There are few sustainable options that can compete with plastic in terms of price and utility. Plastic is durable, versatile, and has various material properties. Plastic is realistically the best option for products like computer mice. Bioplastics and recycled plastics are alternatives, but they are often more expensive. Sourcing materials and collecting and repurposing them at end-of-life stages are necessary for sustainable material use. Considering the broader system is crucial for assessing environmental impact. The various incentives and stakeholders involved in product development complicate the matter. Customers have low participation in the repair program of Patagonia due to convenience and preference for new products. Patagonia's repair program allows customers to return and repair clothing, but only 50,000 garments were repaired in 2020. The convenience of buying new clothing online outweighs the effort and time required for repair. Customers are more attracted to shiny new products and fancy packaging. Companies often deceive consumers about their sustainability efforts. Sustainable living requires a behavioral change from consumers, which is challenging and time-consuming. Companies rely on ignorance to prioritize price and quality over sustainability. Educating yourself about sustainability is important. Designers and product developers face ethical dilemmas when choosing sustainability. Management prioritizes design over sustainability. Bottling water in plastic containers is not sustainable. Legislation can have unintended consequences and needs to be carefully crafted. Shifting the paradigm from physical possessions to different scales can lead to a more sustainable future. Educating yourself and understanding that mankind is driven by scale is important. Access to sustainable materials and processes is better than ever, offering viable options. New legislation and the right to repair movement provide hope for a circular, sustainable economy. Automation and robotics can contribute to sustainability, improving efficiency and recycling. Design decisions should align with the larger system's incentives for positive eco-friendly impact.